Use a 12mm socket to remove the 2 screws securing the front brake caliper assembly. Use a 14mm wrench and 17mm socket to remove the front wheel. Use a 4-way valve tool to release the air out of the tire. Use tire spoons and rim protectors to remove the tire from the rim. Replace it with a new tire and mount it on the rim. Inflate the tire to 32 psi. Insert the shorter axle spencer to the brake disc side and the longer one to the opposite side. Secure the tire with the brake cylinder and set the torque to 50 to 60 Newton meters. Install the rear brake caliper assembly with the 2 screws and set the torque to 20 to 30 Newton meters.